What is up, everybody? Today we are going to be reviewing and unboxing Marvel Comics Spider-Man Venom. Let's get into it. Now that we got the figure out the box, let's take a look at him. So he's got 360 head swivel and joint, a upper body swivel and joint. He's got an arm swivel and joint, bicep swivel, an elbow joint, and then his hand also has a swivel and joint. Now for his legs, you have the leg joint, which is kind of stiff, the bicep swivel, the double knee joint, and the foot joint, but no swivel. After looking at the figure, now let's look at his accessories. Now for his accessories, we have a second hand set with fists or punching hands, and then for the normal ones you have the open hand and then the partially closed hand, and then for the head you have the Venom without the tongue out and just that giant smile of teeth, and then you have the Venom with his long tongue out. Now let's pose the figure. Now for the rating of this figure, it has two sets of heads, one with the tongue out, one with no tongue. It's got two sets of hands, one with open hands and another with closed hands. The articulation feels very good, but this left foot is a little loose, so if you put too much weight on him, like for him holding another character, he can easily fall over. The printing on the figure is very nice, goes all the way around, and there's these little details on like the forearms with the Venom like strands wrapping around his hands or his forearms and his biceps. His muscles are very defined. And then his face is also very defined near the eyes. And the mouth has lots of details, at least on the tongue. The texture is very nice, like a Venom's tongue would be, except not wet, which is good. But for the rating of this figure, I think I'm going to give him about a 9 out of 10. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.